Fugitives, run!
Why are we running?
What's the matter,
Baba! What happened?
That snake was going to attack me, so that's why I shouted at you guys to run away.
You shouted to warn us? That's it. Maybe the culprit that sabotaged the tiger's hunts was making sounds to warn the deer to run away.
You mean the reason it sabotaged the tiger's hunts was to protect the deer?
Let's investigate the tiger's hunting spot. Move out!
Are you ready to cheer, gentlemen?
Yeah.
All right. Let's use all our strength and energy to help the tiger hunt.
You can do it, tiger. Go, 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 tiger. You can do it, tiger. Go, 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 tiger.
How dare you ruin my hunt? Oh, hey, look, guys!
The tiger showed up!
Up there! Molly, did you take snaps of the tree?
Right here.
This is...
A monkey!
I knew it! The monkey shrieked out loud to warn animals whenever a tiger showed up. All right, now the mystery is... Oh!
It's solved!
Apparently, the noise that sabotaged the tiger's hunts was the monkey's alarm call.
The alarm call is one of our survival methods to use against predators like tigers.
Alarm calls are not only used by monkeys, but also other animals. This warning sound alerted animals of the approaching tiger and enabled them to run away before being attacked.
Since I hang out on top of trees, I can spot tigers easier.
Unfortunately, alarm calls aren't always successful. That's because tigers are great hunters. After 3 whole days, the tiger has finally scored a meal. The forest is both amazing and ferocious at the same time.
Oh, brother. I guess the tiger wasn't impressed with our cheering.
Chicky, chicky, boom, boom. Chicky, chicky, boom, boom.
The mystery is solved!